Can you hear it? It's the call. The call to come back. The call to come home. It started here.
From Columbia, Missouri.
It lives here. A tradition more than a century strong. The first, the boldest, the original homecoming. Can you hear it? It's bigger than a game. It's more than a Saturday. It's a week when black and gold rushes through our veins. For students, it's a time to lead. For alumni, it's a reason to return to campus. A call that begins not with a whisper, but with a roar. These columns are more than stone. And when they call, we answer. At homecoming, we don't just celebrate tradition, we live it. We lead it. We carry it forward. This is your call. The call to come back. The call to come home. The call of the columns.
We're talking to you. A perfect setting for nothing to lose and something to prove.
Let the columns stand. Let them stand for 1,000 years.
Watching us all with the eye.
Stripes on my chest, heart thumping louder than the zoo at its best. Tailgate sizzling, smoke in the sky. Tigers on the prowl, hear the battle cry. Columbia streets, a sea of black and gold. Legends in the making, stories retold. Steps echo heavy, columns in sight. Homecoming fire lighting up the night.
M-I-Z-Z-O-U, we rise to the top. Homecoming heat, feel the pride ignite. Mizzou Tigers, we gon' fight, 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 fight. 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 Fight.
Parade float cruising, horns in the air. Crowd so electric, we don't even care. Saturday sun, stadium alive. Living for the moment, we don't just survive. Midwestern kings, no need to pretend. Victory's a cycle, we loop and ascend. Marching band blasting, anthem so clean. Every step a legacy, we reign supreme.
M-I-Z-Z-O-U, M-I-Z-Z-O-U, M-I-Z-Z-O-U.